We are back at the Key Leaves Everything Saxophone podcast booth here at 2019 NAMM, and we wanted to welcome our good friend Sylvain Carton from Vandoren Products to tell us about some exciting stuff. How are you?
Very good. Thanks for having me.
Excellent. How's your NAMM been going so far?
Oh, it's been pretty fantastic.
Yeah? Are you tired? It's Saturday.
Oh, yeah.
I know. This is mid-afternoon on Saturday, so it's a very tired time.
A lot of standing, walking,
Yes.
seeing things, hearing things.
Exactly.
Non-stop hearing things.
Great.
But
Beautiful.
it's a lot of cool people coming by and
Yeah.
a lot of friends and everything.
Absolutely. So what are you guys as a company most excited about in 2019? Tell us about some of the new stuff that you're working on and coming out with.
Well, this past year we came out with pink gold emos for alto and B-flat clarinet, and this year we're introducing the full line, so for soprano, alto, tenor, and bari sax, and then for bass clarinet in addition to B-flat clarinet. So rounding out that line.
Awesome.
As far as reeds goes, we've introduced a while back, a few years ago, we introduced the Juno reeds, which is our student model reed.
Okay.
And now we're rounding that out too. We've got them now for bari sax and E-flat.
Cool.
And clarinet as well.
So the low instruments are getting some love this year.
yeah, we're gonna round it all out.
Right. Very cool.
Fill out the coffers.
Cool.
But the bari saxes are going to come in packs of 3 for the Junos anyway.
Awesome.
Just to make them more available to all the students out there. So.
Awesome. Now I know those MO ligatures are so popular amongst, especially clarinetists. I know so many clarinetists that are using those that just
and a lot of saxophonists too. They're very responsive ligatures,
right.
And in general the MOs are the most responsive ligatures, and like compared to the optimums, which give you a nice hold to the sound, a little more resistance in the attack, so you get the sound kind of swells into it. The MOs, it's an immediate response, so it really depends on your setup, what kind of response you're looking for.
Cool. So what does the pink gold do in terms of the sound? What do you feel it does?
The pink gold, from what I've seen, it's more of a one of the warmer MOs.
Yep.
So you get that quick response, you get that immediacy, but then you don't just get a nice bright sound. You get something that's a little more put together.
Beautiful.
So a little warmer.
Awesome.
Again, whatever you're looking for, whatever it's going to match your setups, currently is what you're going to be going for. So it's
important to have those options. It's like a small thing that changes the entire feel of playing for a woodwind artist. Right?
Yeah, and it's surprising that that's everything, like material of plating and all that changes the response or the feeling that the musician gets. Sometimes the audience won't hear what the difference is, but it'll resonate a lot differently with the
It's
with
funny,
the
we were
players.
just talking with a couple of artists who said that. They said it's not about how it sounds, because I sound basically the same on everything. It's all about how it feels for me when I'm playing the instrument.
And that in turn does affect how it sounds, of course.
Of course, yes, absolutely. Cool. Anything else that worth mentioning here at this year?
Well, I mean, just to kind of touch back on what's been coming out, the large chamber tenor mouthpieces. I'm still excited.
Beautiful.
Those just came out this past year.
Yes.
But I mean, I've been playing on my T8.5 large chamber, and I love that mouthpiece.
Yes.
It's great.
Those V16s are some of the best mouthpieces I've tried in recent memory.
Yeah,
they're
fantastic.
They're pretty awesome.
And what I like about the large chamber is it just gives you, extra warmth.
Yes.
That fuzzy feeling.
Yes, exactly. So one of your artists, Lucas Pino.
Yeah.
I've been following him really closely, and I hear the difference in his sound when he switched to that large chamber. And he was saying how much more comfortable he felt on it too.
Yeah. Well, it's a large chamber, but it doesn't. For me, whenever I play it, it doesn't feel like I need more air, or it's like it takes the air very efficiently.
Beautiful.
And it's a very smooth sound, but while still like a very nice, clean, warm, full sound. So it's not just a bigger tunnel to blow through.
Exactly, which is really important. So one of your artists, Danny Janklow, actually stopped by yesterday. Played some fantastic saxophone for us.
Fantastic,
and he was talking a lot about your products and how much he loves them. So he was playing an A5, a V16 A5, but it was, remind me what it's called. It was the new model of A5 V16.
S Plus.
Yes, the S Plus.
Yeah. He had been playing on the A5M,
okay.
And then he came into the studio in LA. We have a showroom in LA, and he came by to get a second mouthpiece because he had been playing on his for a while and wanted to make sure, to always, it's good to kind of rotate to check in on your mouthpiece.
Of course.
After a couple of years, they will wear out, and he has his for a while. And he tried a bunch of mouthpieces, ended up picking up the A5S Plus without realizing he was trying.
Right, exactly.
It was kind of a funny thing because he picked it up, I remember, and he was like, "Oh, I like this one." I was great. You found one that works for you, and then he calls me up. He's like, "I picked up an S Plus." I was like, "Really?"
Hey.
I didn't even notice that. So.
That's great. Yeah,
But,
sometimes we get locked into.
We stopped looking at what was on the mouthpiece. We were just playing him. And
Yeah,
trying,
right.
And that's really what you should do when you try.
That is
something.
actually really true. Maybe put a piece of tape over all the different.
Your mind will tell you what you want it to tell you.
Yeah,
so
that's really interesting. I
if
never thought about
hide
that.
some things and just kind of blindfold test yourself a little bit more. You'll get the honest response.
Exactly, and that's what you want. It's all about how it feels, not about what you think it's going to feel like, right?
I mean, exactly.
Yeah. Beautiful. All right. Well, Sylvain, thank you so much for stopping by.
Absolutely.
And really excited to check out all the new products. And have a great rest of your NAMM.
Thank you. You guys too.